What's going on, crew? And today on Crypto Madden, I'm going to be discussing the monthly chart analysis on Bitcoin and why I believe that we're super duper bullish and we're going to touch the moon very soon. Now look at this. Bitcoin is playing out this triangle and we broke to the upside. Well, it looks like that we're going to break to the upside moving into the month of April. Okay. In order for us to break above this negative downtrend, we had to close above 42,000. I believe that's going to happen because we're inside of this candle right now, and April's going to happen tomorrow, okay? Less than 24 hours. So that's already done. So this negative downtrend, it looks like that is done. Since that we're going to be going into April and we're up this high, it looks like that we could come down and retest this uptrend right up in here, and also retest this triangle right up in here, seeing whether or not we want to get back into bouncing into this triangle. And that can last all the way until September, okay? Which is believable, okay? Because this is crypto. Anything can happen. Now, we're playing out more triangles than just that one that I discussed. We also have this one that can go all the way into November. When we have this one that can go all the way into June, right? Since that we made the breakout of this triangle, and we're probably most likely going to come down and continue this uptrend, if Bitcoin closes above 44,000, right, the end of April going into May, that would activate this triangle right up in here where we can continue bouncing in here and make a breakout, slowing down this triangle. But if we can't close above 48,000 still, and we're inside of this triangle, that can delay this triangle into going down and playing out this triangle all the way until November. Okay, so Bitcoin has some options right now. Just know before November is when you should expect super duper bullishness, but currently it looks like that we're doing very good, because the absolute lowest that we could drop down if we decide to flash crash is around 22,000. That would be retesting this negative downtrend from last year, okay? But we have a lot of support behind us. I'm telling you, like that Super Bowl commercial really shot us up pretty good for February. So February candle is like the decider right now for whether or not Bitcoin is going to do greatness, okay? Also, the March candle is also another candle that's going to be following behind the footsteps of February. So these two candles are very important, and then this one's probably third in line because this one could last all the way into November, making this possible. So really the strongest support moving forward for Bitcoin, the absolute lowest, looks like it's probably going to be like 34,000. If we flash crash, we could go down to 22,000. If Bitcoin can close above 48,000 in April, that would make us gravitate towards some new all-time highs. If Bitcoin closes above 44,000 going into the month of May, we could be bouncing into this triangle all the way into June. And if we can do that, it'll probably get us to like the all-time high around June time, okay? And if that fails, where this triangle decides to come back down and retest this uptrend, that would activate this triangle right up in here, which would play out all the way until November, and that would bring us to whether or not we're going to come down and retest 34,000, or we're going to most likely touch some new all-time highs around maybe like 75,000. Okay, so yeah, Bitcoin is super bullish right now. If you're a forex trader, this is what you want to see. If you're just a trader, period, like we're super bullish right now, but it looks like we're probably going to come down, retest around 42,000 moving into the month of April, since we have so much bullishness going on. All right, and we're also playing out this triangle, so it's probably going to hit this uptrend. This uptrend is very important, very, very, very important. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to keep you updated as usual, but yeah, keep holding, keep trading, you dig? Talk to you very, very soon. Peace.